Yan.
Ganyan.
What's the best way to make a small fortune in the stock market?
Ganyan mo. Hello guys, my name is Marvin and today, you want to see something inside here?
Yeah.
Mrs. Big Man.
Maybe it's my picture.
Careful ka.
Because here.
Everything's fine, Jane. I got it under control.
Okay.
I saw something inside.
Baby! Ano yung smell?
Look at this.
Okay.
Is there another one?
What's that? That's a pillowcase. Wow. You open it.
That's my mom's name.
No, your name.
Oh, that's my name.
Yeah.
I
That's a
thought,
pillowcase. You know pillowcase?
what? A pillowcase.
Yung ano ng pillow. Punda.
Look.
Yung ilalagay mo sa unan mo. Sa pillow. Oh.
That's a blanket.
No, pillow nga. Oh, Marvin. Show mo sa kanila. Baligtad mo.
Because I'm gonna look the pictures. Marvin, dream with open eyes.
Oh, pakita mo sa kanila.
Look at this.
Wow. Marvin, dream with open eyes. Bang, lawan mo yung ano. Bang. 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 Lawan mo yung ano.
My work here is done.
Ano yan? Yan, ano yan?
Ali, iba't yung school.
Yeah.
Marvin.
There's others inside here.
Oh, sino mo yung picture mo? Careful ka. Ano yan? Ginugupit pa?
Look,
Ba't di mo inalis yung jacket mo?
me.
May kapogi na.
And don't forget, never give away my autograph.
Pakita mo. Pakita mo yung picture.
Teka, pogi na yan. Sino yan?
Me.
Pakita mo pa yung iba.
There's a big one.
Wow!
Ito yata sasabihan ng Rodan. Uy, pogi!
Huwag mong ano.
There's another one too.
Dami.
What's the other one?
May kapogi na.
Look.
Very good. Hindi mo inopen yung mouth mo. Wala na. Oh, say bye na.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
To my channel. Thank you for
Bye-bye.
watching.
Thank you for watching.